How to use multiple account on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to use multiple account on WhatsApp. So previously, if you had to use a WhatsApp or two different accounts, then you had to install different application. But now WhatsApp has updated the feature and there's no need to update or download any sort of third-party application or any other application. So basically, to begin with the video, you have to make sure that your application is updated or not. So for that, you have to go and log in into your Play Store, and on the search box you have to type in WhatsApp, and here you need to go ahead and select see whether you have an update just like mine or not. So wait for the application to be updated. WhatsApp application is completely updated. Go ahead and log in into your WhatsApp account, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side and go to settings. After you click on settings, then you can see your username, and right in the corner you can see there's a QR code and the small arrow icon located right in the corner, which you have to go ahead and press on it. As you click on it, you can see right at the bottom there's the feature as add account. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have to do the same procedure as you used to do while creating your WhatsApp account. So make sure to go to the terms and conditions, enter in the phone number, and then tap the next button located right in the bottom and make sure that the phone number is verified. Now to verify, you have to make sure to allow all of these features and click on the continue button. Now you'll be receiving a code through an SMS which you have to enter in, or you'll be receiving a call on the following phone number. You can see that the account has been created. Now set a passcode or whatsoever, and just basically how you can create your WhatsApp account or create multiple accounts. So that's basically how you can create your WhatsApp account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.